Hello. So here we are at the GoHighLevel memberships area, and we're going to start off by creating this course. And the first part of this course, which may develop over time, but the first part is this course of videos, a series of videos around designing a website using GoHighLevel. So I've already just recorded my first video, and I'm sure they're going to get better, but it's not too bad as it is. I think it's perfectly okay. And what I've done is I've come to go down the side of the menu bar here. If you click on memberships, it brings you to this page. And here, if I click on courses, I just click that down arrow button. I click on products. And then within the products section, I get to this screen. And then I click on create product. If I click on start from scratch, it gives me the option of 4 different types of sort of courses. They're sort of like templates. You can just start off with a blank one by build your own. I've just done this one now for the website course, and you can try these too as well, just different templates. So if we go back to products at the top, and I open the product design course, here we're going to, okay, obviously I've just created a new price, so product structure, I created one, and this has created this category over here. Okay, so I've come over to this app called deal.ai, and this app is going to allow me to create all the marketing materials for my new course. And I'm going to call this the AI Fusion courses. I'm going to add the project. Okay, so now I've got one. It's under magic hooks. Okay, I'm just going to go back to the main screen, and I'm actually looking for an image. So let's click on hero images, and let's click over here, and then I'm going to click on my project, which is Visual Fusion courses. Okay, so we've got image ideas. Let's take that out, and I'm going to click on create image ideas. Business description. AI Fusion creates. In fact, let's actually do a business description using ChatGPT. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to click on new chat. I'm going to say, hi, please create a business description for the website https://www.aifusionautomations.com. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. So it says it can't browse the internet, which is interesting, because I know it definitely can. It says AI fusions are pioneering in the future. So it says general business description based on its memory, I guess. Okay, so let's it does actually say browsing, so I'm not sure why it's not using web browsing. But anyway, this is good. So I'm just going to copy this. Just copy it there, and I'm going to go back to Deal AI, and I'm going to just paste that in there. And we'll just take out this intro. Let's see, take this out, and then save description. And let's see it process. Okay, so Deal AI has come up with a whole lot of different options I can choose, and I can just scroll through them until I find the one I like. A pioneer in AI-driven business efficiency solutions, a team of engineers programming AI to automate routine tasks with visible satisfaction as their code comes to life. I really like that. That's really good. I'm going to give it a 5-star rating there. Leading customer AI engine, a detailed vibrant flowchart, digital screen showing a streamlined workflow powered by AI automation. Actually, I like that. So these are all pretty good. Specialists in deployment, engage image, display and complex image. Great. I actually like that as well. Okay, so we can also choose what emotion we want. So we want positive feelings here. Satisfaction sounds good. We're gonna have a black background. And these, we have all these different options. We've got color palette, lighting, composition, perspective and angle. I just leave them all on default. Target audience. So the target audience is small business owners looking to create. Yeah, let's just say small business owners. I don't think we need to get too detailed about it. And it's going to be landscape. Image type is a photograph. Image style is, let's say, realistic. Do you have any preferred colors? I say blue. And then let's create here an image. Okay, so the first option I came up with was that, which I like. Very good. Let's try one of the other ones, and this time we're going to choose something a little bit more brighter, say red and yellows. Let's take the blue out of there. Create another hero image. Okay, I really like that one. That's really nice. Let's get one more image so we get a nice choice. And I really like those colors. Let's add indigo as well. Create image. Okay, so it's created this image as well. It's not too bad. I like it. I'm going to try another option here, which we can actually do, which is it's in experiment. It's like beta mode, but we can actually create a little video. I don't think it's going to be a very long video, but it actually just animates the image a bit. I just want to see what it comes up with. Now, one of the tasks that you need to do with your videos, if you are creating videos, is to create a good description. And I've actually just downloaded the transcripts from Loom, and I've added them in here for the video I created for my web design course. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this whole page. I'm just going to copy it all the way down here. And I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to say, I'm just going to actually copy it in there quickly. Now I'm going to take, this is a very good hack for ChatGPT, copywriting styles. I'm going to use Henneke Doistermaat's copywriting style. So because if we just put that in there, it's just going to be random, you know, ChatGPT style. So we want it to be a bit better than that. You're saying, please write me a description for my video plus SEO title for YouTube in the style of, and let's see what it comes back with. Great, that's a nice title. Master Web Design, GoHighLevel and Canva Integration, full tutorial for agencies. Welcome to our comprehensive course on website development guide by innovative tools of GoHighLevel and Canva. In this business award, as a mission, will walk you through the initial steps of studying. That is absolutely brilliant. Please give me 10 hashtags for my video. And there we've got the hashtags. Sorted. Okay, we're back at Deal AI, and we're just taking a look at the little video image that it created from my image. That's not bad, but you know, it is in development, and this will get better over time. So let's close it down, and let's just choose one of the videos that we like. Well, not the videos, the images for our course. So I kind of like this one because it's quite just simple and straightforward. So I'm going to download that one, and I'm going to download it as a PNG. Great. Now I'm going to head over to my course, and I've got this product structure, website design, and what I want to do is I want to actually, it says website design course, I want to make this, I just want to add a image there, so it just looks a little bit better, because right now that is a bit boring. So let's use our image that we've created. Let's go to my downloads, and there we go. We've got a lovely image there. Upload. Okay, and there we go. We've got a lovely image for our website design course. Let's click on save. Okay, let's go. We got the products there. Let's save at the bottom. That's good. Customization. And instructor. You can the headshot there. You can select images. You can logos. You can put fav icons. You can put JavaScript in there. So we're all good. Let's go to the outline. And now we're going to add our lesson. So we're going to click subcategory, and we're going to start up with website basics. Click on save, and then let's go in here. So this is the page, the content, add lessons. So we've got a category thumbnail. Okay, so let's make another image using Deal AI while we're doing that. Let's create another image here, and we're going to say image idea. Let's just scroll through and see if we can find a nice image. Engaging image of a computer screen displaying complex and okay, we got that. Okay, I think that looks good. Let's create another hero image there. While that's going, I think I'm going to just take this image and download it, just so we've got one to work with and we don't have to wait around. Category thumbnail, select image, upload file. Use the second image there, and then upload. Okay, so at least we've got another image there. It looks pretty cool. Okay, and then we're going to go to save. Back to our website design course. And let's go into add lesson. And we're going to say basics 1. All right, actually we're going to call this adding more Canva color template. Let's open that up. Now we can host our videos on YouTube, but we can also just host them within the course as well. So to CapCut. Okay, let's see, it should download now. Okay, there, it's going to download. It shouldn't take too long. Got about 2 minutes left. Okay, while that's going on, let's go back to Deal AI, and just see if it's come up with any other good suggestions. Okay, that's quite good. I like that. That's not bad. Let's try some of these others. I'm going to give that a 3. Not my favorite really, but not bad. The next one is experts in AI-driven data analysis for inside business decisions. A captivate industry full of speed. Okay, let's try this one. This one, and I like those colors. The colors are good. Create another hero image. Let's see if our CapCut is downloaded. Couple of seconds left. That's fine. Let's go back to our course. Click on upload file. And here you can see we're waiting for it to download. There we go. Okay, I'm going to have to redo that because it's not going to see it. And there's our website builder course. First lesson. Upload file. Okay, let's go back to Deal AI and see what's happened with this image. Okay, wow, that's pretty cool. I really do like that. Okay, so there's another really good image. I'm going to give it a 4 just because it's not spelling correctly. Let's go. I really like that one. So you keep on giving it, you know, sort of feedbacks, and then it actually does learn from that feedback, which is fantastic. Actually, I'd like to see this as a little image to video. So let's give it the image to video sort of prompt there. This is still uploading. That's going to be a while. Hello, in this video, we're going to upload our video that we created recently to YouTube. Okay, here we are on YouTube, and I'm just going to click on create. I'm going to upload my video. Select files. And I'm going to add the video 1.1. And there it's starting to upload. Okay, so now let's go back to Deal AI, or actually ChatGPT, and let's get our information that we created earlier. The title, copy that in there, and then we can go back in there and get our video description. Add it in there. Let's go back in and get the hashtags. Copy them at the bottom. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a thumbnail. We're going to come back to that because I'm going to do that in Canva. So let's actually do that now. I'm going to head to Canva. I'm going to click on Create Design and YouTube Thumbnail. Let's go back to Deal AI, see what's happening there. Wow, that is so cool. Oh my golly. I really like that. That is great. Okay, so we need to get a really nice thumbnail, and I really like this image, so I'm going to download it, PNG, and then we're going to create the thumbnail from that image. So let's go to Uploads, Upload File. Right, it's going to be that last image in there. Let's add that to the put there, and then there, and we want our title, which is Master Web Design, GoHighLevel in Canva integration. I like that. Go back to Canva, and let's add some text. In fact, what we should do is we should just search for YouTube thumbnail. And we want elements maybe. So graphics. Cool graphics, but we just want text really. Let's go to design. Thumbnail. Okay, cool. I'm just going to add another page in here because then we'll be able to use these elements. I don't actually want to use the image itself, but I definitely want the elements of this. So if we just get rid of that and we get rid of that, but we take this, we copy it and we put it here. And then we put it like that. Then we take just this part here. Let's put that down there. Let's take this little part here. Take that there. Take this little part here. Put it sort of in the middle. Okay, and then I think we've got a good background. We've got some good text. So we wanted the text from the title. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go master website web design. And then Canva, copy it in there. Master web design, we're going to have to make it bigger. We have to take that block there and make it much bigger. And then take that one, put it back in. Take that and then bring it to the front. Forward, that's it. In fact, we're going to move it there. We're going to take it this way. Let's go backward. Oh, no, we don't want that. I'm just going to undo. In fact, let's do that because it sort of gives some movement to the whole image. And then go high level. Let's put that in there. Actually, let's cut that out because that's too big. Let's put that in there. And go high level. Let's move that out. Make it a little bit bigger. Move that in. See if we can fit it in. Great. Okay, I think it's looking fantastic. I'm just going to take this background. And I want to see the background image a little bit more. So I'm just going to reduce the transparency a bit more. And then take the go high level back. That's that one. I'm going to take that one and put it back inside. Master web design, go high level, and Canva integration. I really do like it. Just make sure that the image fits correctly on the page. Now, one thing I'm going to do here, because I think we could just bring a little bit of light to the whole thing, is I would like to go elements, and I would like to add just some light because it's very, very dark. And I'm just going to position this one backward, 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 backward. So at the back, and then we're going to take this image, and we're just going to slightly reduce the transparency so the other one comes through. Does that work? I don't know if that does work. I'm not sure. What do you reckon? I don't like it. I think we should just stick with the main image. I think it's good enough. That. The other thing we can also do is we can also edit the photo. You could see what else we could do here. Colorize. Let's see what colorize does. While it's doing that, I'm also going to make the background here. Maybe that'll bring some color to the whole situation. Let's make that a yellow. In fact, we're going to make it even more colorful than that. Let's make this. Let's make that black. And let's make the background there yellow. Great. So at least we got a bit more color into the situation there. Okay, I think that's good to go ahead. I'm pretty happy with it. You know, don't want to spend the whole day doing one thumbnail. I'm just going to download this one page. Done. Download. Okay, there it goes. So now I'm going to go back to my YouTube channel. Upload thumbnail. Master web design. That's it there. And we're going to create a new playlist called Master Web Design. Create. Done. Okay, so in terms of footage, so tags, what sort of tags do we want? We want these tags really that we got from ChatGPT. I'm going to go back here and click on these. Go back to my video, add the tags in there. Although that doesn't work either. So I'm going to say, please give me tags with commas. Okay, great. So now we've got the tags in comment format, which means we can go to YouTube, add them in there, and it adds them in quite nicely. Okay, so I don't think we need to do anything else. We'll just click next, next. It's going to do its checks next, and I'm going to make that public and publish. Okay, remember now that you've created your video, remember now you should be posting it on various places, because YouTube actually, you know, does searches on the internet, finds your video and sees that somebody's, you know, actually posted it or using it. Basically just increases traffic or spikes the algorithm. So always important, make sure you post your videos. So how I do that is always go and I go to like a notepad type thing, and I go back to my copy, and I'm going to just copy this in here. And so the best way to do this, in fact, is to use GoHighLevel. So let's go back to GoHighLevel here, and you can just save that. I'm going to go back. Now on GoHighLevel we have this amazing feature called Marketing and Social Planner. So what I do with Social Planner is I go here and click on Create a New Post. Create New Post. And I choose my social accounts. So I'm going to send this to, that's a Google My Business page. That's my Facebook page. It's another Facebook page. That's my personal Facebook account. Okay, so I've reauthorized my accounts there. And again, I'm going to go select my different accounts that I want to use to send this to. Facebook, marketing, semester SWOT, and LinkedIn. Let's send it to Twitter. And TikTok's not going to work because it's too big for TikTok. So I can customize the post for each channel, which is great. Yeah, what I was going to do was actually going to copy this information into just a regular sort of post-it sort of note, so it's easily accessible, because otherwise you just get totally lost. I want to copy the link, copy it back in there, but I still do want some of the hashtags, because that will help it to find its way to the people that it needs to, if people search for the hashtags. Okay, here we go. So back to the content. I'm going to just Alt Tab, go to here. Actually, I want to put the video in as well. There's two ways to do this. Either you're copying your link to the YouTube channel, which is not the best for Facebook, and Facebook actually likes you to upload the actual video itself. But if you are trying to promote your YouTube channel, then it's always good to have the link in there. Okay, so the first thing, so that's Google My Business page. I don't know if they actually, so let me upload from Media Library. Yeah, because I did download that image. So if I click upload there, let's upload file. I'm going to find that thumbnail that I did earlier. Master website design. There we go. Double click on it there. And I'm going to use that image, and that's going to be for Google My Business. Now on Facebook, let's see if we can do the same thing. I'm just going to copy this and paste it in there. Let's see if that works. Yeah, that seems to be working. For LinkedIn, the same. Yeah, that seems to be working. And Twitter, now this Twitter's not going to be the same because it's too much text. So let's just put the video itself, and let's go and grab the title, because the title should be within the 144 character limit. So let's go back to there. Okay, so that's for Twitter. Now Twitter's nice because we can actually add a couple of hashtags at the end, because we've got a bit of space. So let's add those hashtags in. Okay, and now we can choose, do we want to schedule it out, or we just want to send it out straight away and get it posted straight away? I'm going to choose post, and I'm going to say post now. And there it's going to go out. So it's in progress, and it's going to send it out to all those accounts. I don't have to go visit each one separately. It's going to do it automatically. And I can also schedule it out if I've got more videos to send out. Okay, we're going to create a fav icon for GoHighLevel communities over here. Okay, we're going to create a fav icon for GoHighLevel community. So I've gone over to Canva, and I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go to uploads. I'm going to search for logo. Let's see if it finds my logo. Oh, there it is. And let's put that in there. So we've got a nice white background. In fact, we're going to cut off the edges so we can make it slightly bigger. We go like that. Make it as big as we can that way. Big as we can that way. Actually, yeah, that's as big as it can get. So, okay, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to say AI Fusion Fav icon. I'm going to share that. Download. It's a massive file, but let's see what it says. So go to community here, click to upload fav icon, go to downloads, double click. Well, it seems to like it. Well, what can you do? Maybe it'll work. Let's see, last website design. Let's do, what is this image here? We're going to create a header. I think that's a nice header actually. Let's use that. Group logo. Well, the group logo is definitely just going to be my logo. So let's go here. Go to marketing. Logo. We just want the black one. It's fine. Under advanced. I think that's fine. Okay, that's all good. Let's click on save. Okay, membership questions. Do we need any? Not at the moment. Gamification. Let's add this in. Cool. Okay, links. Add link. Let's put AI Fusion. Add link. Click save. Okay, so those are the group settings. Details are there. Let's close this down. Okay, so we have these group settings. We've got learning, where we've got the course, we've got members, we've got a leaderboard. So let's see, we can add a channel at the bottom there, and then learning. Let's go open the course. Website design course. Okay. But what I'd like is I'd really like to have another background there. That's what I'd really like. Okay, here we have communities. Go settings. That's all the settings there. Okay, so that possibly those settings are within memberships and courses under settings. Let's see if we can edit that. Site title is AI. Let's make that proper. AI Fusion automations. That's a site URL. That's any custom JSS if we want to put tracking code. You can put the logo there. Let's use the logo we got there. Let's upload. Fav icon, we've just created one. So let's the recommended dimensions are 32 by 32, which means this one that we just did, which was really huge, is not going to really be sufficient. So let's download it again. And this time we're going to make it a lot smaller. Can you even make it that small? Let's go JPEG. Can the JPEG? No. Size, can you make it a different size? That's the question. Size, large, small. Okay, that's another way we can do this. Let's do it this way. Let's go resize and magic switch. And let's go to custom size over here. And let's make this 32 by 32. Continue. Let's go copy and resize. Open. Okay, we're going to download it. Yeah, this should work. Share, download. Well, let's see what it does. I'm going to make it as small as possible, and let's just see what happens. Let's say transparent background, see what happens. Okay, so it's downloading. Let's go back here. Let's upload that image and see what transpires. And it downloads. Upload. Okay, so there we've got it. Seems to be working. Click on save. Okay, so those are the site details. Go back to settings. Now we're going to go to communities, groups. This is the, oh yeah, okay, so that looks really nice. With the background there, with the logo. I'm going to click on login. That's going to open the page up. Cool, that looks great. Groups. That's it there. Home, got announcements there. Click on home. Not sure how to edit this yet, but we'll get to that at some stage. Okay, cool. Okay, I think I might have to contact support about this site here. But that's looking great.